Good.
Should have seen it a few minutes ago. It was whipping all around the parking lot.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, the wind was like coming straight down for a minute.
Where's Larry?
He's out there somewhere.
Larry!
Want to go get that cart?
The hell with it.
My son's in the garage right now.
Like right
I
here?
just talked to my husband. He goes, I know we're in the middle of it. The lights are flickering. I don't know what the hell's going on. I can't get out of here to get to him.
That's it.
All right.
Lock up.